Motion Sound Bytes.
What a coincidence. The Sound Bytes are an a cappella group who will be singing a couple of tunes for us tonight, including Me and Julio and Vehicle. Your programs may tell you a little differently. But they first performed together as a barbershop quartet in the 1994 benefit show, and since that time, the group has quickly moved from its barbershop roots into more contemporary forms of a cappella music. They performed publicly more than 100 times.
The Sound Bytes are Mike Chilton, Keith Logan, Dennis Skinner, and Steve Stevens. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Sound Bytes.
Yeah. Doodle like a doddle, but doodle like a doddle, pick a doodle like a doddle, but doodle like a doddle, doodle like a doddle, but doodle like a doddle, pick a doodle like a doddle, but doodle like a doddle, doodle like a doddle, but doodle like a doddle, pick a doodle like a doddle, but doodle like a doddle, doodle like a doddle, but doodle like a doddle, pick a doodle like a doddle, but doodle like a doddle. Now Mama Pajama rolled out of bed and she ran to the police station. When the papa found out, he began to shout. And they started the investigation. Was against the law. Was against the law. What the mama saw. It was against the law. Yeah, the mama looked down. She spit on the ground every time the name gets mentioned. And the papa said, oh, when I get that boy, I'm gonna stick him in the house of detention. I'm on my way. But I don't know where I'm going, but I'm on my way. And I'm a-taking my time, but I don't know where. Goodbye to Rosie, the queen of Corona. See you, me and Julio down by the schoolyard. See you, me and Julio down by the schoolyard. Now in a couple of days they're gonna take me away, but the press left us for release. And when the radical priests come to get us released, we was all on the cover of Newsweek. Now I'm on my way, but I don't know where I'm going, but I'm on my way. And I'm a-taking my time, but I don't know where. Goodbye to Rosie, the queen of Corona. See you, me and Julio down by the schoolyard. See you, me and Julio down by the schoolyard. See you, me and Julio down by the schoolyard. See you, me and Julio down by the schoolyard. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hey, what's the frog dancing over there? Was there a frog dancing over there?
Well, of course there's a frog dancing over here. Where else would I
They
be?
said beforehand, is it okay if Kermit dances during our thing? And I said, it's okay if you don't mind me coming over here and grabbing him and throwing him on the floor. Okay, all right.
We sing better than we joke.
This next song, actually the last song we're going to sing, features Steve Stevens on lead, another 70s song you might recognize called Vehicle.
Inside my car, I got pictures, got candy, I'm a lovable man. I'll take you to the nearest star. I'm your vehicle, baby. Take you anywhere you wanna go. I'm your vehicle, woman. But now I'm sure you know that I love you, need you, want to, got to have your child. Great God in heaven, you know I love. To be a movie star, I can take you to Hollywood. And if you want to stay just the way you are, then I think that you really should. I'm your vehicle, baby. Take you anywhere you wanna go. I'm your vehicle, woman. But now Want to, got to have your child. Great God in heaven, you know I love you. I'm your vehicle, baby. Friendly stranger in the black sedan, won't you come inside my car? I got pictures, got candy, I'm a lovable man. I can take you to the nearest star. I'm your vehicle, baby. Take you anywhere you wanna go. I'm your vehicle, woman. By now I'm sure you know that I love you, need you, want to, got to have your child. Great God in heaven, you know I love you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.